Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT not responding. So if your ChatGPT is stuck, loading, or not replying, here are some simple fixes you can try. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable because a slow or weak network can cause delays or no response at all. Next, refresh the app or website. If you're on mobile, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close the app completely. Wait a few seconds, then reopen it. Sometimes the app just gets stuck, and a quick restart can fix the issue. Now, try starting a new chat instead of continuing the old one. Long conversations can sometimes cause lag or errors, so creating a new chat often helps. If you're using ChatGPT on a browser, clear your cache and cookies, then reload the page. This removes any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Also, check if the issue is temporary. Sometimes ChatGPT may not respond due to high server traffic, so just wait a few minutes and try again. And those are the easiest ways to fix ChatGPT not responding. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.